welcome back to this video. Bitcoin had in the last hours making a new all-time high, and also we want to talk about some potential trade ideas, especially when we're looking on the crypto bubbles. We can see that also the altcoins will pushing now to some good levels. And I want to talk also about one meme coin I invested in the pre-sale, and I also want to give you the chance to participate from this pre-sale. But let's start first of all with the Bitcoin position. So when we have a clear look on our last setup, we are almost reached our target. We close all our positions overall. We are super big in profits, so like 100% win rate in the last week. So also our Solana position was already closed early this morning. We have a look later on Solana. But when we also see here, we catch the whole move to the upside. So the first buy we placed here around 94,000 US dollars, and also here at the first sell-off, and then our next, especially like the trade yesterday we took on the small correction here, we saw it here. So first of all, congratulations on all who took also this trade here. I gave it around here. We came close to our stop loss, but we didn't stop out. For all who catch this trade a little bit later, you're also massively in profit right now, especially like also if you took the trade yesterday. I opened yesterday another trade. I showed also you here on my ByBit yesterday, where we have it on 106,000 US dollars, and we close it at 110,000. So quite a good profit. I would keep it run further, but overnight it's reached my target of 110,000 US dollars, and I was sleeping and I couldn't adjust the take profit. So I'm super happy we catch all the move to the upside. Now we can also delete our trade setup because it's fulfilled. And my next trade will be looking around. There are some few levels that we can watch around. So first of all is definitely here the last all-time high. So I see definitely here that we can come down and retest this and keep then the push to the upside, or we came quite a little bit lower to this kind of level at 105,000, 106,000 US dollars. So these are the both levels I'm closely watching right now. I already placed also there some limit orders. So when we're going here for the long position, this would be the first one. I show you later the take profit. So this would be my first one. And my second one would be around this area here. So first of all here, and the second one would be all the way down here are my next potential buy zones in this area quite a bit. And when we have a look on our price targets, we can also look on the Fibonacci, and then the price target would be around, my first take profit would be definitely around 115,000. My second price target would be here around 120,000. There I would definitely close some positions on the way. So as we keep it on the last trades, on every 5 to 10,000, on every 2 to 5,000 US dollars, I would take a little bit parts of the profit, because I can imagine that we are going test this last all-time high, go higher, get a rejection to the new all-time high, and shoot then back up to like around 120 US dollars. So this is my trade up what I'm preparing. I was kinda in the morning to open already a long position around, exactly around the level we would right now. So at 109,000 US dollars, quite a little bit. I missed the opportunity, and to be honest, I'm not that mad about it, because to be honest, when we're looking here, it would be only to the all-time high like 1.2%. 10x leverage is like 10%. It's quite okay, but I definitely see that we're coming here down to this level here to retest. Also, we see here a lot of wicks, a lot of volume also there. When we have also look at the EMA ribbon, we can have a look there. Yeah, the EMA ribbon shows kind of the same. So mostly we came to the EMA ribbon back, retest the EMA ribbon. Also, we see it here. We got a super pump, then we consolidate, get another pump, and then get the retest on the EMA ribbon. Same like the last, yesterday, the same, got the heavy pump to the upside, broke the all-time high, get a harsh rejection in the EMA ribbon, get the pump again, and I expect now the same, that we came back to the EMA ribbon. Maybe the EMA ribbon will go kind of like here. The price also like consolidating. When we get the retest on the EMA ribbon, I will open a buy position, a long position. If you also want to participate on the long position, so check up the links in the video description. Also here you'll get a super nice bonus on ByBit. I trade all my positions, as you can see here, all my Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin position. All the links for this you find in the video description. We see here 100% is our last win rate. 26 trades we also do on this channel, so definitely keep an eye out. Is open the same trades as I do, and you can also make probably the same money. Let's have a next look on the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is falling now like crazy. Wow, this is quite nice. When we look on the daily, Bitcoin dominance is also falling. I also want that the Bitcoin dominance will falling more, because this gave us the opportunity that also the altcoins will performing way better. When we have a first look on Ethereum, we see Ethereum as on our trade setup super big in profit. So congratulations also on all took this trade for Ethereum. My Ethereum trade closed already. I closed it around, let me check where I closed it exactly, and then I can give you 2600. Yeah, kind of here I closed my Ethereum position. So in this big resistance cluster here, there I closed the position, because I expect here two scenarios. One scenario, we go straight to the upside, what probably we will do when Bitcoin is also pushing. We can straight there, get then the rejection, and then you can open here a new long position and trade this all the way to 3,000 US dollars. Or we can see now a small rejection and then get the next pump. So also here I can give you two trade setups. The first trade setup would be if we're breaking like a retest. If we see a retest, stop loss, we can do it quite here, like down under there, and I would trade this up. My first trade profit would be 3,000 US dollars. So there I would take some profits, like here, 3,000. Yeah, it's like 10% to the upside. So this would be my first trade setup. And if we see a rejection of it, we can also potentially go down. Kinda this range here. So we have both levels, 2,500 US dollars there. I would definitely open also a long position, because then we can ride this up to 3,000 US dollars. Let's have also a quiet look on our Solana position before I go in the Memecoin sector. And here we also see big profit for our Solana position. Congratulations on all who run this trade. I also, you saw it before, I closed also my Solana position here with a good profit, because I want to reinvest my Solana positions in the Memecoin presale. So I have to take a little bit money out, but I'm definitely waiting for a new long setup for Solana. So I would expect also a small rejection, because Bitcoin is also rejecting a little bit, and kinda this range here if we see Solana coming down to 176 US dollars, there we can open a long position. It was exactly the same. Can also show you here, was exactly the same as we open our long position. So you see, oh, I already put a limit order already. So here you see here you see a lot of reaccumulation between 160 and 165 US dollar levels. So I sold all the Solana here around 176 US dollars. Let me have a closer look, so then I can give you where my Solana. Oh yeah, you see, 30 minutes ago my Solana hits the take profit on 180 US dollars. So I make nice of money here. So if we came back here around, to be honest, I don't expect we come around here to 166. I think we will go to 175. We can come down there. I will place definitely a limit order. Let me put the limit order already there. Yeah, there we go. We put the limit order there. If we catch the limit order, I will see definitely potential to go here to 185 US dollars or even higher. To my main target, to be honest, is 220. So we can adjust also the take profit here. 220 will be my take profit. So there we have like around, from now, 22%. If you're already in a trade, keep it running, take some profits on the way. But from the re-entry, yeah, 25%, also quite good. So let's have also a look on the crypto bubbles. We see here the week almost great in profit, exactly like on the dailies. So here, if we definitely see some correction of some of altcoins, we can throw money inside, because I think there will be also, after Bitcoin is going also to the next levels, to the upside, we can also see that the altcoins are moving with Bitcoin. We also see it right now. Maybe we missed our potential trade, but we will see. I also took some profits of the Solana trades, or on the trades all in all, because I invested in a new presale from BEERCOIN 2.0. The last BEERCOIN was also launched, what was it exactly? I think 1 year ago, and make like a 35x from the presale price. I make a good part of money from the meme coin, so I'm definitely in this round again. The presale is still open for 31 hours, so you can just join the presale. I invested around 2,000 US dollar in the presale. So here's also like a explanation how you can participate from the presale. Send Solana on your Phantom wallet to this presale address. Wait until the token generation event. I would say, I heard it on the Telegram channel. It would be around a weekend, maybe on Monday we can see the. I mean, the presale is still running like over 1.5 days from now. So you can definitely take a part of the presale. This gave me also a very good feeling for the presale. So we will wait. I mean, I invest only money I can lose. So if I lose their money, it's completely fine. But I want to show you on DEX screener quick the last performance of the first BEERCOIN. We go here on the daily chart, that we can also see what is happening since the launch. It goes all the way to the market cap of $500 million US dollar. So for all from the presale, it's like a 35x. So a lot of money we can make there. Yeah, and there was some issues with the coin, with the team, that the price went heavily down. So I expect that we're not seeing something like this. I see like a more stable way. But we will see. It's just a meme coin, a little bit of fun for all the guys who want also participate of them. The link to the presale is BEERCOIN 2.0 VTF. I also put the link in the video description. There you can join also the pre-sale. And yeah, that's basically also all from the video. So thank you for watching. Keep in mind that there are a lot of potential altcoins trade will coming soon. So definitely subscribe to the channel. And then we see definitely in the next days with the next update.